Yeah, so you can do it from your app. You can do it from a keypad. I mean, who needs a garage door opener anymore, really?
Well,
I love it. Well, with the recent tech boom, sure. With the recent tech boom that's going on, I mean, I'm sure this is, invaluable.
absolutely. It's modern homes have become so high tech. If you think about the way that solar has integrated with homes, lighting, garage, low voltage for the outside. Look at refrigerators these days, how smart they are.
Yeah.
So the garages don't want to be left behind.
No, not at all. All right. Well, really, really great information. And thanks for sharing, Duncan.